Make a weird sound without laughing challenge.
Meow.
Y'all gotta go. No. Y'all gotta go. I won.
That was the dumbest Why would you? I'm trying again. That is.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Alright you guys, so right now I'm gonna put the hair up, get it out the way so I could comb the rest of the hair down. You always want to start off neat by combing or brushing or even picking the hair out before you start cutting. Alright you guys, to start off this haircut, I'm going to be setting in my bald line using my Babylon Skeleton FX. Now, you don't have to use trimmers to set in your bald line. I just like to do this to, create neat guidelines. But you can just use the lever open and, set in a bald line that way. I like to use a bend when I do my tapers because I like to be unique. I don't want to just set it straight in and look like everyone else. Now switching over to my cordless fast feeds, I'm going to be going up about a ½ inch with the lever fully open. Now I'm going to flick out. Realistically, what you want to do is take off the bulk before you start setting in your guidelines. But I just went ahead and dive right in. But if I could go back and do this over again, I would just take the 2-guard and just clear out all the bulk. Alright, you guys, now switching over to the one guard with the lever fully open. I'm going up about the same width. I'm going up about a 1/2 inch, using my comb as a way to set my guideline in to where I don't go too high. Like I said, I should have just took the 2 guard and just removed the bulk, but I just went ahead and dived right in. Now, here we are in the beginning, what I should have did, clear out the bulk. Now I got my 2 guard on with the lever open, clearing out the bulk. The rest of the bulk on top, and I'm actually kind of scooping out as I get to that, that area where the hair is. So after I set in my guidelines, I always like to go back down and kind of just take baby steps and clear out those areas with the flick out motion. So right now I got my 1 guard on with the lever open, and I'm just kind of using my corners, flicking out that area between the 1 and the 2. Now putting on the 0 guard with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, using your corners, flick out that middle line. Next, with no guard at all, just with the lever closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Notice how I'm using my corners the entire time. And remember, if you need to adjust your lever as you go up. You don't want to stay with that lever fully closed going into an area where you use the lever open or the 1 guard.
Where you get your beats.
HustleDreamProduction.
Now here's the most important part of the blend, is detailing your work. What I like to do is I like to rest my eyes for a second, come back to the blend, do some corner work. But the best advice that I could give you guys is to utilize your mirror. All right, the mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend that you can't just see head on. All right, so make sure you use your corners in different areas, just to kind of clear out those bulk areas. It's not really taking the idea of it is not to take hair away. It is, all right, but what I like to visualize is using my tools, my clippers, as thinning shears, and kind of just breaking those areas up instead of thinking about bringing the fade higher. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clear out the bulk behind my client's ear. I'm gonna take my 2 guard and kind of set my 2 guard at a 45-degree angle and just kind of clear out the bottom half of that bulk. I kind of want to keep as much of that hair at the tip top as possible. I just kind of wanted to blend in. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the 1 guard open, and I'm gonna go up and just kind of set my clipper at a 45-degree angle and just attack the line itself. All right, I'm trying to get that area to blend in and fade as much as possible. So what I do to the sides, I do the same thing in the back. It's just more room to work with here, and for me it's a lot easier because it's a lot more space. So because I cleared out the bulk with the 2 guard on the sides, I'm gonna do the same thing in the front. I'm basically gonna go against the grain, making sure the hair in the front matches the sides.
where you get your beats.
HustleDreamProduction.
Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in the full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, we make it look easy.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chip.